What's up guys, I'm Victor Gatobu and today I'm going to show you how to take care of my car. Let's go. I'll be showing you on this 2012 Toyota Vitz. It's a very reliable car and actually it doesn't have a lot of issues, or it barely has any issues. And that's why it's the best choice for the Uber drivers. The first thing I do is I check the tire pressure. Confirm that the tire pressure, I can just do that by just looking at the tires or just stepping on the tires to confirm that there is pressure. And you do that for all the tires. So you just confirm that the pressure is okay. You do that for the 4 tires. You come here and open the bonnet. So you need to confirm that you have washer fluid. You see that's okay, there is washer fluid. Or just in case it leaks, and you need to use your washers. And the next thing you need to do is check your oil. This is very important. So you need to confirm that the oil is between those 2 dots. It should not be less than this first dot. It should be between these 2 dots and not more than this one. So the oil is okay. The next thing you need to check is the radiator coolant. So you open this, confirm that the coolant is full. You can see the coolant is full, so you don't need to add any coolant. And if it's not full, you need to open this here and add the coolant. But in my case, I don't need to add any coolant. The car is okay. Yeah, and as I said, this is a very reliable vehicle. The fuel consumption is okay, and also everything to do with this car is okay. The driving is good. That's why actually the Uber drivers love it. So the last thing I'm going to be checking is that the positive terminal of the battery is fully covered to prevent any short circuiting and fires. So guys, that's what I normally do every morning to confirm that the car is good and to make sure that I improve the longevity of the vehicle. So the other thing you need to confirm is that there are no check engine lights on the vehicle. As you can see, this vehicle doesn't have any check engine lights, so it's good to go. The other thing you need to do is make sure that when you're driving on rough terrain or off-road, especially on the small vehicles like this Toyota Vitz, you need to make sure that you're not going over any huge rocks to avoid damaging your sump. And actually this vehicle is fitted with a sump guard to protect the sump from being damaged and to protect the car from stalling. But as you can see, I'm currently off-road and I'm just taking it easy. Just taking it easy as I can. So this is how I do it. So I take it easy and the car will be fine. And make sure I avoid huge rocks. So when you are also off-road, to avoid straining the vehicle, you can switch it to low gears by going to B. You can see there, go to B, so that the car can just go easily past this. Just like that. Once I'm over the hill, and just return it back to drive. So if you have low pressure on the tires, you need to go to a nearest gas station and put out the pressure. So currently I'm at Total Energies. This is where I like to fuel up. And need to put 35 PSI. Yeah. So I put it. So mostly for small cars it's 35. Should be, all tires should be 35. So you also need to keep hydrated. That's why I took an energy drink, so that you can make sure you're attentive when you're driving. That's how I keep my car good and ready to go always. Nice. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, guys.